Are you ready to become the next viral sensation on YouTube? We've got the tips you need to create a viral YouTube channel. So grab your camera and let's get started. First things first, you need to find your niche. What are you passionate about? Whether it's cooking, gaming, or DIY projects, choose something you love. This will make creating content enjoyable and authentic. Next, you need to create engaging and high-quality videos. Invest in good equipment like a decent camera and microphone. Clear, crisp visuals and good audio will keep your viewers hooked. Now it's time to master the art of storytelling. People love a good story, so make sure to create compelling narratives in your videos. Whether it's funny, emotional, or informative, your story should captivate your audience from start to finish. One of the secrets to a viral YouTube channel is consistency. Regularly upload new content to keep your subscribers engaged. Make a schedule and stick to it. Building a loyal audience takes time and effort. Speaking of an audience, engage with yours. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and connect with your viewers on social media. Building a community around your channel will help it grow faster. Promote your channel on other social media platforms. Share your videos on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram to reach a wider audience. Collaborate with other YouTubers to tap into their fan base as well. Lastly, don't give up. Building a successful YouTube channel takes time and perseverance. Stay passionate about your content and keep improving. With dedication and hard work, you'll see those views and subscribers skyrocket. So there you have it, the steps to create a viral YouTube channel. Find your niche, create high-quality videos with captivating stories, be consistent, engage with your audience, promote on other platforms, and never give up. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content. Good luck on your journey to YouTube stardom.